This episode, Redneck Garage, we're gonna be painting a bicycle. I don't have any parts right now, but we're gonna get them. Dirt, wrong way! No, God!
Sorry about
Yep,
that.
alright, let's just get after that.
Yeah.
Let's get after the action. Alright, we're gonna do football lessons in a future video, you know, because
I'm the unstoppable running back. I'm unstoppable.
If you ever see Dirt in this video and he's wandering, don't pay attention to it.
Yeah, don't type in the comments anything about him. He will.
So we're just gonna take that piece that we painted, slide it in here. Then we got fender guard, fender.
I mean, look
and
at
put
see
wheel tires
that.
back
That's what
on,
comfort's made of.
and she's gonna
right
rip
there.
again. So I think.
What about these bolts? These are custom patina rust bolts.
Yeah, they're meant to be like that.
Yeah, they're meant to be like that. I thought you said you painted that. Shut up. Okay.
Hey, do y'all want to see a magic trick?
Yeah.
Took us like 10 minutes. So
Don't watch the time lapse.
put fender, chain, wheel, tires, pedal assembly. About it. Took us like 5 minutes. So spins don't dirt it.
Yes.
Alright.
Yeah.
My favorite is this part right here.
Yep. Alright. Let's do
Let's do a montage
do a
of us
montage.
riding it. Yeah.